Mommy's TV.
Turn the microphone on Mommy's TV, baby. We're about to make it trending. Trending, trending. Trending with Alladin time. You know what it is?
It's trending, baby.
Don't touch it, don't switch it. Stay tuned. It's trending.
It's trending, baby. It's Mommy's TV.
Turn the microphone on Mommy's TV, baby. We're about to make it trending. Trending, trending. Trending with Alladin time. You know what it is?
It's trending, baby.
Don't touch it, don't switch it. Stay tuned. It's trending.
It's trending, baby. It's Mommy's TV.
Turn the microphone on Mommy's TV, baby. We're about to make it trending. Trending, trending. Trending with Alladin time. You know what it is?
It's trending, baby.
Don't touch it, don't switch it. Stay tuned. It's trending.
It's trending, baby.
Be ready, be ready. Yeah, 1 2 1 2. It's Mommy's TV and it's trending talk show. My name is Alladin and I'm here with my talk show host
Tahnee.
Tahnee. I like your heart today.
Thank you.
And we're gonna give some breaking downs today,
All
like Michael
right,
Jackson.
just like MJ.
Yeah, you know what it is. It's Mommy's TV and it's trending talk show. Today we are back. We give thanks to God for keeping us alive from last week to this week. We are back. A lot of things happened, but we are still alive. You are still alive. We give thank God to all our sponsors, our supporters, and massive shout out to our producer in the building that has been making our show come up every week. God bless you, my brother. Today, there's another brand, another topic, another vibes, another scenario, another
yeah.
chi. You know what it is. So we're about to give it to you. Last week we talked about
We
That's
had
serious.
a spicy topic
Last
last
week.
week about that the bedroom talk, should it be limited to the bedroom or not? And we had some good conversation. You know, I got a lot of DMs about that as well. So you know, this is the month of love.
I'm talking
This
about
is
the sound.
February. That sound.
the sound thing, man. Yeah, that's good. But before we go far, let's see what is trending right now.
Oh, what is trending right now? Well, we know first of all, this is February, which is the Black History Month for the African Americans. So we wanted to talk a little bit every week about history concerning blacks in America.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Oh, okay. So let's see. Okay, that's okay. We're gonna switch. We'll come right back to the Black Panthers, but first we'll talk about what's trending,
What's trending, yeah.
in the tabloids, which is Meek Mill and Nicki Minaj.
That's serious. That's serious.
Yeah, they on the air fooling, like going back and
Like
forth.
I won't lie to you when I see their flows and their write up and the captions on Twitter and on. I feel like when two people separate, there's always one kind of feelings that make you want to say all these things out.
Yeah,
Like-
they've been separated. I mean, they've been broken up for a long time. So what happened is Nicki Minaj all of a sudden accuses Meek Mill of being physically abusive while they're in a relationship.
Yeah.
So Meek Mill, of course, says it's not true, and he claps back, and he says that Nicki Minaj has been a terrible person, like.
Yeah.
And she covered up for her brother. You know, her brother is in prison for supposedly raping a young girl. And he said she was covering up for him, and he like telling everything. Like he don't care.
Yeah,
He telling everything.
and that is part of the thing we're going to be talking about today because like when I sent to you during the week, like what did your ex say about you
gosh.
after the divorce or after you guys are
gosh.
separated? Like a lot of things happens. I mean, two people are no more. it's kind of feelings that will let you want to say something.
Right.
That means that thing actually pains. Like,
Yeah.
oh wow, what?
Some people just be lying afterwards just because. I'll tell you about my story.
Okay,
You're gonna
we'll
laugh,
go
but
there.
that's later. That's later. So yeah. Anyway, as y'all can see, that's Nikki and Meek's drama.
I pray for them to get rid of all these things because they seem to talk about though, and I think Nikki now wants to go step down for music right now.
Yeah, because she got married a few months ago.
Wow.
So she said she retired and she wants to focus on her marriage and possibly have some kids, raise a family. She said she been doing this a long time. She made her money, so she'll continue to make money through her royalties. So she good.
She can't spend all that money finish, man. Nikki's has been one of the top American good rapper, and she has made a lot of good music. I think the royalty is still there for her, so she's cool, man.
Yeah, she good. So I say more power to her. You want to focus on your marriage? Hey, good. She gonna be rich for a long time. So
yeah, and some people choose their career over their marriage,
right?
But she wants to choose her own marriage
over a career.
Over the career. Yeah. That's good for her. This is what it is. Everybody know the way they want to do what they want to do.
Yeah.
And, well, I wish you all the best, Nikki.
That's trending in the tabloids. So we'll hop back to the Black History part.
All right.
Okay, so as far as February, Black History Month, it's my favorite month out of the whole year because it's not only my birthday month, we get to celebrate my people's history.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. The day after Valentine's Day.
Gee. Oh, that's why you always know.
Because it's two holidays back to back.
Back to back.
Valentine's Day and my birthday.
Wow.
So during this month, we want to talk about, the Black American community, and our triumphs that, we've been through. So I want to inform everybody about the Black Panther Party. As you can see the video in the background, hey, these people were tough. Wow. They didn't play no games. They were labeled as a terrorist group by the American government, but the KKK wasn't, and they were actually murdering black people, and they are still around to this day. But so the government ended up assassinating a lot of these people and imprisoning them. But what it was, it started in October of 1966, and its core practice was its armed citizen patrols, cop washing to monitor the behavior of officers in the Oakland Police Department because it was a lot of police brutality going on, especially in the 60s. They were killing black people for no reason, harassing black people. So they took their power back and they wanted to begin to patrol the police officers. So back then, you could walk around armed. It wasn't illegal. So they would walk around with their guns, but they were nonviolent. They were a nonviolent organization just to make sure that the community was protected from the police. And I'm like, isn't that sad? You got to protect your community from the police. And that's still what's going on today with the police brutality. And what people don't know is the Black Panther Party started the WIC program. They originally started the free breakfast and free lunches. They would get together as a community and serve the community, the kids and everybody who needed food in their house. They would serve hot breakfast, hot lunches, and they would get together grocery meals, packages, and send home to the community, and it was big. So they also did a lot of charity, and people, of course, America's not going to highlight that, but they were actually very good. It was a good organization. There was nothing bad about it, but it was so sad that, the government labeled them as a terrorist organization because black people were becoming really united. And what the Africans don't know, like your culture didn't know back then, that's when we were really, talking about black is beautiful, and we were looking back to our roots. They talked a lot about being African, and we are Africans. They talked about that back then in the 60s, so this is not new. So that's a little bit of our history about the Black Panther Party. There go Angela Davis and all of them. They were some strong people, and I really appreciate them because they fought for our freedom today.
Right.
If it wasn't for them, then we wouldn't have a lot of the opportunities. Even all the other black immigrants that came over. If it wasn't for them, we wouldn't be able to do what we're able to do today. So
that's a good job.
Black Panther Party. We love y'all forever.
And if you want to know more about that, can Google it.
Google, YouTube. They have awesome documentaries. It will really blow your mind. Seriously, it will blow your mind if you watch the whole thing.
Yeah, that's great. And before we go, let's drop the number, the same student number for them, so they want to call in to talk about what we have today.
Oh, yes. The studio number is 817-717-5685. If you want to call in and talk about life after divorce, we really want your insight on this. Again, that's 817-717-5685.
Yeah, and before we go into the main topic for today, let's talk a little bit about the last week topic. Like, should sex be limited to the bedroom? You know, it's a very when I watched the video back again, I was like, I'm not the one talking because I'm just talking from the reality.
That's the
You know what I
thing,
mean?
yeah.
And it is what it is. You know, all the sound, all the reality of what you need to do in your home, your marriage, in your relationship, do it.
Exactly.
Sex is one of the most powerful things that hold marriage and relationship.
All right,
So
now.
don't let your partner lack that. You know what I mean?
Yeah, don't
It's
hold
Mommy's
that thing
TV
down.
and it's Trending Talk Show. Today we're about to start. We're about to lock it down. As you know, if you get the studio number still the same, 817-717-5685. Call in, and if you want to call via WhatsApp, you can call +1 317-760-7393. We are live here. Let's talk about it. We can't discuss this alone because we believe you know more than we do.
That's right.
And the topic for today is life after divorce.
Ooh.
I want to say one thing before we start this topic today. Both of us right here, anything we want to talk about, apart from that we do a lot of research about what we want to talk about, we actually have some past
Yeah.
that are actually similar to most of our topic.
Yes.
So that gives us more energy to be able to talk about it. So when we are talking about things on our talk show, like 60% of it is something that we have an idea that we've been through. So Tahnee, let's start from your side. Life after divorce. How does it look
After
like?
divorce. Okay, first of all, disclaimer, I have to always say when we talk about divorce, I am not an advocate for divorce. I
Right.
love marriage.
Yeah.
I love everything about
Same here.
marriage. Like I said, my parents are celebrating 35 years of
Yeah.
marriage this year, so it's all I know.
Yeah, that's
You
cool.
know, and the only time I advocate for divorce is if someone's life is in danger.
in danger.
Obviously, if you're in an
Violence.
abusive relationship, yeah, I would say leave. But other than that, I believe in fighting for your marriage, and you know, it's a
Let
beautiful
it walk.
thing. Yeah, so I can say, you know, since going through my divorce since May of last year, my life has been good. Like,
Right.
I don't know about everybody else. Of course, I've been through the different stages of, you know, the mental part, but I can say it was the best decision I could have made for myself personally.
Yeah.
You know, I really discovered who Tahnee was
Right.
after my divorce, and I really focused on myself. And
Right.
but you know, I made the decision to really be serious about overcoming this part of my life. I didn't allow myself to wallow in depression or negativity. I said,
Yeah.
okay, this is just a transitioning stage, and I really intentionally focused my mind on becoming a better me.
That's great. That's cool. And I'm
Yeah.
happy for you. Like, you know, and maybe your hair too say the same thing, or maybe you say something else. That is what it is. That is you for you. Before I go on to my home part of life after divorce, let me show the big shout out to people that are out there that are watching us right now.
Whoa.
We have a lot of people right there, and God bless every one of you that have always been waiting for us to
you.
come and join us to listen to us. We thank you. We have Shonel Taylor,
Not your wife. Hey.
Niger wife. Shout out to all them Niger wife right there, and we have Liz Hernandez. And we have Taiwo, we have Isaac Toluwabori Adebayo, we have Fela Taiwo Akiolu, we have Shiko Jordan, we have Adeniji, we have Adebamiji Olaifa Precious Adebamiji, and we have Folashade Ogunbi, we have
Cute.
Keo Lasmo, and we have Damilola Adeniyi Oduyeru. We have Anieta Ogaga Okoro. God bless all of you. We have Bukola Kikelomo, and we have Arabambi Kolawole. We got Otumba Adedeji Adekunle and Oyetola Wasiu. We have my boss Alaji Kola Olotu. God bless you, sir. And we have Elvis Wad, and we have Samson Munisola.
Ooh.
Please help us share this show. The only thing you can do for us now is to just share this, and it's not going to cost you or affect you in any way, but just help us to be here and to have more audience.
Yes.
Life after divorce. We want you people to please call in. If you are in the same scenario, you are going into divorce too, or you've already divorced, or we didn't preach divorce. We don't
Right.
want anybody to divorce, but it is what it is.
Exactly.
It is life.
It's life.
If it's bound to happen that you have to divorce your partner because you want to live more on this life, you have to. You can't fight it. But I won't lie to you, life after divorce has been something that has been one of the best steps I took in my life.
All right now.
Yeah, I won't say things right here because I want the other person to look bad.
Right.
Because if you say somebody is bad, to other people they are good. It is what it is. Yeah, if somebody say I'm bad, I believe some people will tell you that I am good.
Right.
That is the way the life is. But I won't lie to you, my own life after divorce has been a very great thing. I know myself. I found out who I am, and I see my own mistake too.
Yes.
When I was in that marriage, I see something that I'm not actually doing good. I'm not doing right. I found myself, and I won't lie to you, I have more freedom, less of mind. Maybe my partner will say something else, or maybe she's going to say, "Oh, my own after marriage too is good." I'm talking from my own side, from my own mind. Life after marriage for some people, I won't lie. After we push this thing on our story, a lot of people send me messages like their marriage is something they regret.
Wow.
Like they regret going out of that marriage.
Wow.
That divorce was something that actually brought them down.
Right.
And some people tell me, "Oh, that marriage is crazy. It is life. What I'm going through is not what you're going to be going through." But life after marriage is something we want you all to please call in and let us talk about this. It's systems saying studio line number, and the number is right there on the screen. And if you want to call on via the WhatsApp, is +131 760 7393. It is what it is, because a lot of people think maybe it is only women that go through problem or issues in the marriage. No, some men also, they are going through a lot, and they're still keeping it like, okay, let me just make it work. Let me just keep this home because of my kids, because I know this woman will not be able to take care of these kids. But part of our things that we write down on our talk show today, they said women are often more helper after divorce than men. They find new passions or reconnect with old ones.
Yep.
What do you think about that?
I mean, that was true for me. You know, I was very happy after my divorce, you know, because I already knew it was over, you know, and I was really trying to keep it together for the sake of marriage and for the family, but I knew it was done, you know. So I've been preparing my mind before I actually took the step to leave. I've been preparing my mind. So when I left, I was ready to reconnect with old passions. That's why we're sitting here today. That's how I met you, you know, and I really wanted to figure out who I was. I went all the way back to my hometown. I went to my old house to stand on the grounds to my old schools in Oklahoma City to, you know, get closure, you know, concerning some things that went on in my life. It just really started a whole journey of self-discovery for me. So I can say, not that I didn't have those times where it got to me, like around September, after something happened, I really went into a state, I can say, of depression for about 2 weeks, because I realized, oh my gosh, the holidays are coming up. I'm not married anymore. You know, I'm not with my husband anymore. But at the same time, I had to realize I left for a reason, a valid reason, you know, and it would be dumb to go back. So not saying that there weren't times that it got me down, but I vowed to not stay in that negative state of mind. I vowed to pull myself out and reach out for help if I needed to. So that's what I can say about that.
Yeah, that is life. Everything we are living on in this life is part of what God has actually assigned for us to happen in our life. But the only thing I want to say about divorce is, as I said, I don't preach it. I won't tell anyone of my friends or anybody to tell me to tell anybody out there, or to encourage them like you have to divorce. If you can make it work, make it work.
Exactly.
But if you are looking at the whole thing that is not going to work, you already know, because some things are reality. So we know some truths ourselves. Some people are just there. Like a lot of people have go through so many things in their marriage, but I won't lie to you. Today they work on it and it's still working for them. And some people we have the same strengths. When it comes to issues, we have the way we can handle issues on a different way.
Yes.
So people don't actually have patience to stay to handle any situation. They don't want to, okay, let it just go, let it be. Like a friend of mine called me over the on Thursday, and he was talking to me about his own divorce life. Like he was saying, he went through a lot. Like he tried to make it work, but the woman was not seeing what they're actually saying.
Right.
But at the end of the day, when they divorced, I think the guy went through a lot. But today, it's cool.
Oh, okay, they stay together?
No, they divorced.
Oh, they divorced.
They divorced,
okay,
but the guy's life go more better.
Okay, I
because
see
everything the guy wants to do in the marriage, when he was in the marriage, the woman always going against it.
Right.
He want to make any step, he will say no. I want to do this thing, the lady will say no. But today, So it is what it is. It is life. It's something we
Yes.
also always we have to have in our mind that okay, we are getting married today. Do you have? That's why I said you must have all the qualities that a man or a woman need to be in a marriage.
Yes.
Marriage is another step in life. It's not now you are no more living in your house.
That's
Not with your
right. It's
sister, your brother.
together.
It is with somebody that you don't even know.
Yes.
You know, it's somebody that is very new. And when it comes to marriage, I won't lie, we need counselor. We need to work with counselor.
I
We need to work
agree.
with people that really have experience in marriage to tell us some things that we are going through that no, you're not the only one going through this
That's
thing.
right.
Like, a lot of people are going
100%. I
through it.
agree.
So it's Mommy's TV and it's Trending Talk Show. Before we go further, let me say shout out to people that let this show come up. That's supporting us to let this show come up. First of all, our sponsor for this show is DST, DTS, Discovery Tax Services. They've been the one that have been sponsoring us. And if you want to file your tax, they've been filing for a lot of people and they've been making a real good job for people. And they have a refund from $500 to $9,500. So if you go to Discovery Tax to file your tax, they will give you a refund.
That's
you get your
right.
check same day. So go to Discovery Tax Services and file your tax. And I'm very sure you're gonna thank me later. Thank all later. We have another sponsor now on our talk show who are ready to support us to let this come to you every weekend. They are First Premier Unique Enterprises. They are into cargo and container. And if you want to send anything to Nigeria from here to Africa or heading where you want to send anything to, they do door to door. You can contact them. You can call them
good.
on 214-694-1024. So you can contact them and they will get your stuff down to anywhere you want to get it to. And if you want to go to their office is 9696 Schema Street at 153 Dallas. The zip code is 75243. So you can get in touch with them and it is what it is. And we have some events coming up, like on the 14th, February 14th on the Val, we have Reigning Entertainment LLC. They have a Lovers and Friend Valentine Day. They call it
nice.
Masquerade Ball. So don't miss this. And if you want to get in touch with them, you can call Reigning on 469-856-0682. Get in touch with them, and I'm very sure this is going to be one of the biggest Valentine show
Hey.
coming up. And we have some family in this in our studio right now. They also have something going on Valentine's Day, which is a boat cruise, which is Mr. and Mrs. Kogbedegbe. And if you want to go on the boat cruise, you can also contact them. You can Google them or contact them on their social media networks. So tomorrow is going to be another dope day for the mommies in Dallas. You know what it is. So Mommy's Planet presents Mommy's New Year Appreciations Night to appreciate the mothers and our wife, our daughter, our sister tomorrow. So come through, come to Movies Mansion tomorrow and enjoy the music of Solek Django all the way from UK. And we have Ayo Genesis. And if you can come early from 7 p.m., you're going to be having a free photo shoot on the red carpet.
that's
Good
nice.
picture from about Fawaz Photo. This guy is doing a very good job when it comes to picture and video production. So don't miss it. Mommy's New Year Appreciation Night is tomorrow. And if you want to book your ticket, you can contact me on my DM at Mommy's Planet. And if you want to call me to book your ticket, it's 317-760-7393. Life after divorce. How does it look like out there? Give us a call and let's talk about it. And I have another person right here, which is VMP. They are into branding, media marketing, photo, videos, and events. So if you want to get in touch with them, they are right there in Dallas, and the number is 217-819-3077 for your videos, event videos, movies, any kind of video you want to do, or pictures, photo shoots. Get in touch with them. Life after divorce, we are here. I said my whole life after divorce has been a very great thing. I didn't regret.
Right.
I won't lie, I didn't regret. And right now, everything is going on fine. Everything is cool. Everything is cool. And my co-host, Tahnee, said, life after divorce is good for her.
Good.
What about you? So, what are the things your ex say about you after divorce? What are the
You
bad
really
and the
wanna
good
know?
things? I want to know, please. What are the good and the bad things they said?
Homeboy.
The
Told
homeboy.
I call him homeboy. Homeboy called everybody and told him I told them I stabbed him with a bowl.
Wow.
How do you stab somebody with a bowl?
Huh?
Can you answer me that?
Now?
How? Like how does that
But
even
do you
make
do you
sense?
guys have any contact of like fight, like
Yeah, I
exchange?
mean, we had arguments like any other couple, but I didn't stab him with a bowl. Like I was
But
like,
what bring you lie? What
did
happened?
I was so shocked when my sister's fiance, who's both
Right.
daughters are with Nigerians,
Mhm,
so they
mhm.
were friends,
Wow.
and he called me and told me that and asked me did I stab him with a bowl. I said, what
What?
in the world? First of all, where are the stab wounds? First of all, how does that even make sense?
Mhm.
But to me, I'm like, okay, we're both adults. Why do
Right.
you have to lie?
Hmm.
Like I think that it should be a line that first of all, whether it worked out or not, we were married.
Right.
Why would you want to lie on your spouse?
Wow.
Anything that I say, whether it be good or bad, it's the truth.
Right.
And that's one thing I love about my marriage counselor, my pastor. I'm a member of an RCCG church, so they're Nigerian as well, but they know me. If I say something, even if it's bad and it's concerning me, I will tell the truth of myself. When I
Right.
did something I had no business doing in my marriage, due to my emotions, I called the pastors and told them exactly what I did. I
Right.
tell the truth on myself first.
Yeah.
So that's what I can say, that I live in the truth, but I don't think that as adults we should be lying on each other like that. It just don't make sense to me. What about you?
Like I don't know, like what happened about me is after my own divorce, I don't actually have time to actually know what everybody's talking about. I just want to move on. But I know she said some things like she said, "Oh, this guy cheat, this guy do this," but Anna said she didn't have any evidence.
No evidence
So
of
we
that.
didn't have any evidence, like it is what it is.
It
It's
didn't
just not.
happen.
And I said one thing: I'm not going to come here to say something because I want my show to trend or I want my platform to grow. I'm just being real, so that maybe if my ex, she's watching me, she can work on herself.
Exactly.
The only thing I go through the worst thing I go through when I was in there is just like she can nag, she can take things aggressively, but she on her own part she is good. I just
And that's
think
good that
it's
you
not
can
just
say that.
working. It's not
Right,
just working.
exactly.
It's not, and I said, if you think your hair is bad, she or the guy might be good to somebody else out there.
Exactly.
So it doesn't matter if it's not working. It's not working. We don't want to force it.
Mm-hmm.
And if you know you can make it work, let it work. Because I won't lie to you, there is not any good or bad person out there. We just have to work on ourselves.
That's right.
We just have to make sure all we are doing is not affecting us back. Because I won't lie to you, I learned a lot of things after my divorce. I learned to know that I should always come first. In anything I want to do right now, I won't lie to you.
That's
I want to
good.
come first. I want to make sure I'm good.
That's
I want
good.
my cup to be filled up before I feed other people out there.
Come on.
Because some people are not actually sitting down, they want to stretch their leg. When you are good, you are fine. You can now look at for other people out there. It's not love is different from marriage. I won't lie to you. I get to know a lot of things because I said after the divorce I worked so many counselor because I don't want to go into another one and have same issue that
That's
I'm
right.
so I
That's
try to work on
wisdom.
myself. I try to work on my own mistakes. Like I'm not 100% good, but at least I try to make it work. But it's
That's
just
right.
it's not going to happen.
That's
So
right.
I'm just let it go. So it's Mommy's TV. We don't want to bother you. I'm gonna go on a music break right now. I'm gonna tell our producer to give us a very good nice music. And when we're coming back, the studio number to call to join this topic we are talking about is still the same 817-717-5685. And we have some stories, some lines of sentence line up that we're going to be talking about. So don't go. We're still coming back live after divorce. How does it look like? And this is the music of Gina. Or let's see what they want to play for us, and we're going to see how it's going to go. We coming back.
Baby, baby, tomato, sweetie, sweetie, potato. Baby, give me your love. Say I dare your tomato. Make Batman sing song for you. Give you love in times two. Baby, give me your love. Say I don't go come out. Loving you every day. This my love may be complete. If you like, we go fly away. Anywhere where you want go. Gucci go fall on you. Prada go fall on you. If you give me a fire, I go sing for you. Baby, I'm gonna love you every day. Love you every day. Baby girl, it's Friday. Hold my hands, make you wanna wake up. Give you love that you never see. Joy when you never feel. If you're loving me, baby, I'll give you everything you want. Loving you every day. This my love, no be complain. Gucci go fall on you. Prada go fall on you. If you give me a follow, I go sing for you. Gucci go fall on you. Prada go fall on you. If you give me a follow, I go sing for you.
That's where I wanna be. I feel safe when you come around. Got me feeling like a key. Is the reason why I can't leave without you, babe. You like the air, suffocate when you are not with me. Oh yeah, Bobby Joe. Oh yeah, Bobby Joe. Baby Bobby Joe, baby Bobby Joe. From the evening to the morning light, baby Bobby Joe, baby Bobby Joe, baby Bobby Joe. From the evening to the morning light, baby Bobby Joe. I'm mute in your silence. I feel safer in your violence. You're my guilty pleasure. I'm addicted to your touch. Is the reason why I can't live without you, babe. You like the air, suffocate when you are not with me. Oh yeah, Bobby Joe. Oh yeah, Bobby Joe.
Yeah, you know what it is? Oyabami Joe. That's the music of Gina. So you can go on all music platforms and download Gina, iTunes, Spotify, 360 Knobs. Download Gina music. That is Gina. That is what it is. It's Mommy's TV and it's Turning Talk Show. And the topic is life after divorce. Do you know a lot of people are actually afraid to divorce?
Yes.
Because they think
Oh,
that
yeah.
label, that title, is something so crazy like that.
Oh, yeah.
And they are going through a lot. And a lot of people have actually lost their life in it.
Oh, yes.
When they are scared.
Most definitely.
What do you think about that?
I know I went through that. You know, I knew my marriage was over. Well, it really never began. But I knew it was over long before I left. But because of the label of being divorced and, you know, me having to start back over, I never wanted to be. Who goes into marriage wanting to be divorced?
No.
You know, and having to give up my title as being a wife. Like, that did keep me around longer than I needed to be because I didn't want to be labeled a divorcee.
Yeah.
You know, and thinking, oh, you know, who's
bad.
gonna want me now? You know, I had kids for this man, and you know, it's society.
Right?
It's just
It's
society. Yeah.
Environment. Yeah. Because if you can think of about yourself, about your life, you know if the divorce is the next thing for you to do, just do it. Because I
Right.
tell you right now, although a lot of people like they feel bad, why do I want to divorce? Okay, we don't want to divorce, but you are dying already. Somebody's bringing you down, everybody. Somebody's pulling you back every day. You are not
Every
growing.
single day.
You are not happy. You can't
Yeah.
sleep. You can't. You go to work to come back home. You'll be thinking, so, wow, how do I go back home? You know what I
That's
mean? Like,
true.
the next thing for you to do is just to do that divorce because there's somebody out there that can treat you better. That's the reason why you have to just move forward. So life after divorce is not something that is not a taboo. It's not something that has never happened before. That's happened to a lot of people and they're still living and they're enjoying their life. So if you think you are not happy in your own marriage and you've worked with counselors, you've talked to your pastors, you've talked to your in-laws, and you still like this person is not changing, move on. Make up your mind. Because you're not the only one that want to go through this thing. You're not the only one that this want to happen to. So it's better for you, instead of going through domestic violence, that you not lose your life or you not kill somebody. That's one of the trending things that's happening in Nigeria. And there's a lady from, I forget the lady's name, that killed her husband in the north side in Nigeria.
Really?
Yeah. He found out this guy was cheating and he stabbed the guy to death. Now they give the girl death by hanging.
Oh, she has life in prison?
They no hanging. They want to.
They gonna hang.
They
But
want to
y'all
hang
still
her.
do that over there?
Yeah.
Oh Lord.
Yeah.
Nigeria.
Yeah, I tell you. Yeah, Nigeria, Africa, that is what it is. You know, because as I'm saying, instead of going through those things that you won't be able to correct anything again, divorce.
Just leave. It's
Just
better
leave.
To just, yeah.
And I've seen people that have divorced and they still come back together.
Yeah, sometimes.
Because
yeah,
sometimes
that
when
works,
it's not
yeah.
working like that, that means that person is actually tired, or maybe that person has been choked for either way or anything. If you can separate or divorce, two things. Either
Yeah.
you divorce or you separate.
Separate for a while.
If it's going to
yeah.
work, even you, if you divorce and marry, I have something that happened, a scenario of one family back home in Nigeria, that this lady have actually divorced his husband and she has married somebody else, and she has had kids in that new marriage, and she still go back to her husband.
Oh wow, life.
Because they are born to be together. If you
Yeah.
are not born to be together, there's nothing you can do in that marriage. If you like, do anything in this life, cook from morning to night, wash clothes, do
Yeah.
this, be good, take care of her, take him to anywhere, buy him anything, buy her anything. If you guys are not together, you can never be together.
Yeah.
So
I
it is
agree,
what it
that's
is. So
true.
in this life, you just have to make sure we just check on what we do, and don't believe if I divorce, people will be mocking me. Let them mock you and be
Let them
alive,
do it.
and don't go
That's
to jail.
right.
Yeah,
I
instead of
agree.
you being there, forcing yourself to be there, and at the end of the day, you kill somebody. Because I don't see the reason why somebody will kill her own husband because he cheats.
That was it.
That's
Emotions,
crazy.
like I've been through that. I've been through being cheated on while I was 9 months pregnant. That hurts so bad,
So
and you
bad.
don't know what you'll do until you're in that situation.
Yeah,
You
right.
don't. You can say, "Oh, I'll never take somebody's life. I'll never be violent. I'll never do this." But you don't know when those emotions come from you being so deeply hurt. You just don't know how you'll react. You don't know. So, like you said, it's better to just step out and leave than
just let it go.
through that.
Just let it go. Just because it's better if you are still alive, you can still work on so many things.
Yeah.
If you are still alive, you can still marry somebody else.
Yeah.
If you are still alive, you can still do so
And
many
free.
things. If you are still free, if you are not in the, because this lady now is going to die dead by maybe they even kill her and I don't even know.
Ah.
So what I'm saying is before it go to the level whereby you cannot handle that situation again, walk away.
Yeah, I agree with
It's
that.
not even necessary for you to even divorce. You might just walk away.
Yeah, just walk away.
You know, maybe at the end of the day, maybe he or she will not be the one to now say, okay, I want to divorce.
Right.
Which is going to be better
Right.
than for you to be in the marriage. At the end of the day, you kill somebody or somebody kill you
Ooh,
or
I'm
you
telling
fight.
you.
You get yourself messed up, you know. Because I won't lie to you, this life, sometimes people are not just getting it right.
Okay.
Because I won't lie to you, a friend of mine told me on Thursdays, he said, do you know I prayed towards my divorce?
He said he prayed.
Yeah.
What you mean?
He prayed for God, please let this marriage be separated. Like you know, because he has tried all his best to walk
Right.
away from that marriage, but maybe the other partner is just always like, oh, okay, sorry, okay, I will change, I will
Yeah.
change. But
And it's
same
just a
thing still
cycle.
happening, you know. And you know what? And you know, this life sometimes, as I said earlier, if it is not going to work, there is no way you can make it work.
Or if it's one-sided, like in my.
If it is only one side that's
yeah,
trying to make it work, it can never
exactly,
work.
It can if one person is trying.
Yeah, it has
another
to be two.
person
It's
doesn't
two things coming together right now. So it has to be good from both sides.
Yeah.
It has to be like I want it, I want it. But if somebody wants it, another person didn't want it, it's going to be crazy. That is why you will see people that are the wife of a rich man, that the man actually buy you car, house, clothes, shopping every week, travel to Dubai, go to Paris. They see cheat. So it's not about giving your husband or your wife things or making him happy that make them do shit. It's just because that is the way it's going to be. And if you cannot take it, you leave it.
Yeah.
Life is two-way.
It is. It's two ways, and I want to come back to that. Okay, so because I'm talking from a woman's perspective
Okay.
because I'm a woman. Some men believe as long as they're taking care of the house, paying bills, and providing for their wife and their family, that's being a good husband.
No. A lot of things make you a good husband. You must be able to create time. Because women want
Bingo.
time. And sometimes maybe you don't have that time. All you have is money. Money will not do it alone.
Money will not do it alone.
Yeah, that is the reason why I said you need to be prepared.
Come on.
You need to be ready that I'm ready to marry right now. You have to share your time with somebody, your space, your thinking, your doing, anything you want to do. You have to let somebody know. Because if you're not ready to do all that, just date.
That's wisdom. Y'all listen to this
Yeah,
man.
just date. Don't marry. If you know you want to be keeping somebody, you want to put password on your phone, you don't want somebody to check your phone, you don't want somebody where you are going to, where you're coming from, what you want to do, it's better to be single.
That's right, because marriage, you cleave together as
Yeah,
one.
and it have to be opened.
Yeah.
A lot of things you have to know, a lot of things you have to go through. And if you don't want to ask somebody, Google it. I tell people, don't just use only Instagram and Snapchat and Facebook alone.
Yeah.
Let Google be your friend. At least if you didn't see all the answers on Google, Google will give you an idea. Do you want to read what somebody's saying right there?
Yes, and we have
Blessing.
Blessing, yeah, I'm going to say Blessing. She says that people should learn to leave, take a walk, and live, stay alive. All right, that's wisdom. And she also says, wow, interesting topic. G, you said something that caught my fancy, and that is me first. I will come first before anyone else, and I will also fill my cup first before filling in another. It's very important lesson. Well done, dear. Bigger you, I pray.
God bless you. That's my friend from Indianapolis. She has been my friend far back when I was in Dubai.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and she
Long
still come
time.
back here. We are still keeping a good friend.
Oh,
God bless you, my
good.
sister. Blessing Ibe, all the way from Indianapolis. That is the point.
That's right.
Make sure your cup is filled.
Yes.
Make sure you are okay, you are fine, you are good, because you want to make somebody else good.
That's right.
Because a lot of people out there, they want to satisfy their partner and they are dying.
That's right.
You will see some guys or some woman out there will like, what happened to this person? Why are you looking
that
like
was
this?
me. I was dying straight up.
No, don't do
Real
that.
talk.
Make yourself happy first.
That's
It's because
right.
if you didn't make yourself happy, that person want to make them happy. When they are happy, they will hate you because you are not looking happy, because you are looking bad. You know, do your makeup, change your hair, buy good clothes. No, be good. Yeah, don't go and forget yourself and be thinking about marriage. I want to be with this guy. I love this guy. If you want to be with that guy by force, it's not going to work.
That's right.
Yeah,
Hey,
it is
that's
reality.
real talk.
And if it is not working, I know a lot of single women, a lot of single guys, they are doing better than people that are in the marriage.
Oh, yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So after my own divorce, this is my life. If I didn't divorce, I'm 100% sure I will not have this talk show. I will not do this because I'm always behind the camera. Everybody that knows, I always behind the camera. I always be the one pushing, talking to this one, let this one happen. She don't want me to do all these things.
Okay, so you were in the behind the scenes.
Behind
you
the
were never in
scene.
front, with
You know what
all
I'm
that
saying?
personality.
But I know say I'm good. I can you know what I'm saying? But I won't lie to you because as I said earlier, I won't come here and talk about my ex so that people will see her as a bad person. She's not. She might just feel like, oh, I don't want somebody that will be, because she is on the camera.
Right.
Maybe she don't want somebody. And I believe as time she will go to somebody that can do like that can do that.
Exactly.
What my own ex is not doing good, it might be good to other people
To
out there.
somebody else. That's
That
right.
is the reason why you have to satisfy yourself. Don't don't forget yourself and think about people. It is people.
Come on.
It is
now.
you.
Oh, I live
Nobody
by
can
that.
feel your pains. If they slap me and they slap you, you can't feel my own pain. I'm gonna feel my own pain, you're gonna feel your own pain. We have somebody talking right there again. Now, it is Mommy's TV and it's Trending Talk Show. Let me say some big shout out to people that are still staying out there, still watching us. Massive shout out to Aderoju Ladega. And shout out to Razid Platforms. Shout out to Tina Shitu.
Not your wife. Hey,
Oh,
girl.
shout out to Hody Ninja Wife right there. Shout out to Benson, Alayo, Obebe. Shout out to Olakpaki all the way from Dubai. Shout out to AB Graphics. God bless you, my brother. Shout out to Adeolu AB Fresh Bello. Up YBNL. Those are the Olamide crew right there. God bless you, Bayo. And shout out to Charles Anjos. God bless you all. Please share this show. Share it to your page. Let your audience know us. Let us know about Trending Talk Show. We're trying our best. Adeolu AB Fresh Bello said she has a beautiful voice. Yes, Tahnee.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Bayo. That is what it is. You know, we are talking about the life after divorce. So we don't want any one of you to go through divorce because divorce is not the best option.
Yeah.
But if it's going to be the best option, take it today.
That's
Take
right.
it now before things go wrong. That lady in Nigeria that killed her husband, the Hausa lady, if she has left that guy before that day that he killed the guy,
She
that
would
will
still
not
have
happen.
her life.
The guy is going to
Yeah.
be alive. She's going to be alive.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I feel.
We should learn how to take decisions sometimes. You should learn to take it. It's a bold step. It's a bold step. It's not easy to take. It's not something you want to do
not
like.
easy.
No, I know it takes a lot. But I went through it. I know what I'm talking. I'm not just talking. I'm not just making mouth right here. I know what I'm saying. Yeah, it's better for some people believe marriage is all about social media. There's a lot of marriage that you see out there on social media. If you know what they are going through, you won't pray to be in the marriage. For
That's
real.
right. Oh, yeah. Real
And some
talk.
men are going through a lot. Let me tell you a little story. If you go to my IG or my Instagram page, there's a video I put there like almost a year or a couple of months ago. My friend in London, he just come home one day in the night and he found the kids crying inside the house. And he was, what's going on? They're like, I think like 10, 6, 4 years old, 3 kids. And the elder one just bring the letter and give it to their dad. The wife wrote a letter down in London. It happens in Manchester. He wrote a letter down that's, you know what? I'm so sorry. I can't do this anymore. Like I've moved on.
And gave it to the kids.
I tell you, he left to the kids, and he left the guy. Hey. The guy went through hell. He has to bring his mom from Nigeria to come and help him to take care of the kids. Do you know the worst thing that happened? What happened? The guy that actually I said this about this thing before in this talk show. So. The guy killed that lady.
Okay, the guy that her husband
for.
Wow. Whoa.
The guy threw her out of 2-story building, out of the window.
Whoa.
Yeah, it should be on the internet right there. God. So if somebody wants to leave you, let them go. So you know maybe the other person wants to die. So you won't be the one to kill that person. If your woman wants to leave you, let her go. Maybe she will find peace somewhere else. Right. If your husband wants to leave you, let your husband leave you. There's a lot of men, handsome men out there that they can have you. For real.
Oh, I know all about it, honey.
Oh, really?
I ain't gonna tell out my business though, but let's just say I'm happy.
It's Mommy's TV and it's Trending Talk Show. Let me run this again because we're getting towards the end of the show for today. It's life after divorce, and I tell you, my own life after divorce is pumping. It's cool. I'm Gucci. Like I'm fine. Like I don't regret it. And I believe if you want to take that step too, try separate first, because I separate first before I get divorced. I don't just divorce like that. No. And first of all, okay, let me see, maybe distance can make it work. But still, it's not working. And I was okay, let me just take this decision right now. And right now it's cool. I know it's fine, you know. So before I go, it's still DTS, Discovery Tax Services, are still right there. If you want to file your taxes this year, they are good, they are professional. They have been into this tax business for 10 years. And the one thing about them is if you go to their office today, you will get a check today. From $500 to $9,500, they will give you a refund. So try Discovery Tax Services. And if you want to walk in, they have app. But if you want to walk in into their office, they have 2 branches. They have one in Plano, which is 9858 Plano Road, Dallas, Texas. 75238 Suite 300. And if you're in Arlington, right here in Arlington, they have a branch in 615 West Main Street, Arlington. Zip code 76010 Suite 107. Check them out. And if you want to call them to ask them about their plan about taxes, the number to call is 469-300-1040. Like 469-300-1040. That is for Discovery Tax Services. And another sponsor that we have right now is, if you want to send anything, I don't know what you want to send, but anything that you want to send to Nigeria, to Africa, to anywhere, they have door-to-door platform. If you want to send clothes to your family, you want to send furnitures, container, car, First Premier Unique Enterprises, they send car, cargo, container. And you can call them on 217-694-1024. I give you that again, 214-694-1024. And if you have somebody in Nigeria, if you are in Nigeria and I want to send somebody, maybe they have been giving you, it's coming, oh, I don't know how to send it. Tell them you have somebody to send your stuff down to Nigeria for you. And the number is +1 214 4694 1024. First Premier Unique Enterprises. And we have event that is coming up. First one is tomorrow. Mommy's New Year Appreciations Night. We want to appreciate all the mommies out there. See, whether you have kids, you don't have kids, so far you are a woman, you are mommies. That's our own belief in our own platform right here. So Mommy's Planet, we are celebrating you tomorrow to come after church, 7 p.m. at Movies Mansion. Put it on your Google. And if you want to write their address down, it's 10051 Whitehurst Drive, Dallas, Texas, 75243. Come through. Movies Mansion is going to be loud. Django, all the way from London, Solek, and Higher Genesis. You know what it is. Tungba, Toma Bad, big vibes. Don't miss that. It's $10 regular. And if you want to book a table, like you are with your family or with your friends, you want to have your own table, special table, it's just $250 with a bottle of Hennessy. You know what it is. Another one is from Reigning Entertainment LLC. February 14th on the vow. You need to take that guy out. And if that guy didn't have money, you need to take that guy out. And the party you have to be is Lovers and Friends Valentine's Day Masquerade Ball. Tickets is on the line. Just Google Reigning Entertainment LLC. Venue Gemstone 13111 North Central Expressway, Dallas. Zip code 75243. And if you want to call Reigning to book your own tickets, it's very simple. Just call Reigning on 469-856-0682. It is what it is. It's Mommy's TV. But in case you don't know, DNC anniversary. Gee! Man, I don't know. I don't know how you want to miss this event. You don't want to miss this event. So the DNC, these things, radio, that is our platform. That is where we are. They are the one that actually power us. They own this platform that we have. So please, March 14, Saturday 2020. You don't want to miss this fun. It's gonna be banging. It's gonna be entertaining. We have a lot of people coming out there. We have a lot of celebrity Nollywood actress. Come through, come and enjoy. And Tahnee, say something about this about this discovery.
Actually, if you see in the background,
we're gonna be on the red carpet. Come through. We're gonna be on the red carpet for the red carpet hosts. We are the hosts.
Yes, we are the hosts. Yeah.
And if you want to make your teeth white like my own is, you see my teeth is white. She did it.
I'm the tooth fairy.
So what are the things they need to book for the teeth whitening, or
yes, you can get in touch with me. Book either on, you can call me 469-441-6050. Call, text to book your appointment. I am mobile. This is a one treatment laser teeth whitener. You know, 2 to 3 shades. White or just in one treatment. I've been doing this since 2016. I am not new to this.
Yeah.
So
she did mine, and for you, I won't lie to you because I'm sorry to say this. I used to smoke before, and my teeth is bad. Like, and I said, Tahnee, what's going on? She what? When she did it for me, it's like she didn't even do anything. Like she didn't even touch my teeth. But after I see my teeth, I was like, wow, you did this, and that's a very good job.
Yes, and again, that's 469-441-6050. Again, 469-441-6050. They don't call me the tooth fairy for nothing. So book your laser teeth whitening today.
Yeah, that is what it is. Take care of your teeth, because I won't lie to you. If you don't have a good teeth, ladies of nowadays, they will just run away. If you want to say, hi, babe, and they come through and they see your clothes, your teeth is brown. Oh, shit.
I can help you, don't worry. And disclaimer, we are not advocating for divorce. This is not a show telling everybody, get a divorce.
Don't divorce.
No,
don't divorce.
We are just saying it's okay. It happens. It happens. You know, nobody goes into a marriage expecting to get divorced. I know I didn't. I meant it when I said for better or for worse. But unfortunately,
it's not working.
That just I'm gonna write a book about mine, so be looking out for that. I'm
gonna make a movie about mine, so
be
watch out for it.
That.
So it is what it is. It's Mommy's TV and it's Trending Talk Show. Shout out to DNC Radio for powering us and Mommy's TV for putting us on this global, for this on this platform. We really appreciate. And don't forget, do your best. Don't run out of the marriage just like that. Separate first if it's not working, and if it's not still working, you can now do the D.
Unless it's domestic violence. We do not advocate for domestic violence. If it's domestic violence, get up out of there. It's not worth your life.
Yeah. So it's the talk show today. We're done and we are going. But before we stop, please share this show. Let people see. And we are still live on YouTube channel too. Tell your friend about us. It's Mommy's TV and it's Trending Talk Show. But before we go, you can see Tahnee is putting on a hat. So we want to do a breakdown. Are you ready? So we want the product to give us a breakdown and we end the show and we see you guys on Saturday on the 18th episode. I will see. Let me see the step. Let me see. I want to know maybe you know how to dance now. So with this
To
occur,
pop lock, you start like this, and then you go, then you bring it back, and then you go back.
Yes.
From PJ.
Your beauty just they make my switch they turn off and on. Your sexy body just they make me fall in love. Anyway, the world, if not do, girl, if you don't mind, I go carry you go. Anyway, the world, if not do, girl, if you don't mind, I go carry you go. I want to carry you, carry you, carry you, carry you. I want to carry you, I go carry you go. I want to carry you, carry you, carry you, carry you. I want to carry you, I go carry you go. I never knew there is love that can make my heart